The seventh video. Today we're doing the next question in the array and hash map list. So this is the free link that I found from Encode. Without further ado, let's begin. So this question is asking us to encode and decode strings. We need to design an algorithm to encode a list of strings to a string, and the encoded string is sent over the network and decoded back to the original list of strings. Okay. Please implement encode and decode. So in this case, I believe it is encoding this entire array of strings. What it does is that it okay, so we are given a list of strings, and possibly we are joining them together with this delimiter, colon and semicolon. So each colon and semicolon joins them together, and then the next thing would be for this particular portion here to then be joined together using this substring method. Okay, so in this case the same thing again, right? 1, 2, 3. But in this case, since we have a colon in the center as one of the possible strings, what we want to do here is to have this thing here, have a colon, and then let's see what this question is asking for, because I suppose in this case when we have this delimiter here, and then we suddenly have this extra parts together, right? Yeah, so not sure what the question is really asking for, but encode strings, we have string here, encode strings, don't really, we have an array and we want to join all these strings together. Okay, so what I'm thinking is possibly again to have this delimiter be sent. Since the question uses this delimiter, let's try to use it again, but I do not understand why there is a particular repeat of this character here, and what does this symbolize for us, because so if we were to do, say, given an array like this, right? We want to encode it into a string and then decode it back. So let's just think of the case given in the base example, right? What happens if we use this, right? We just join all the strings together in this case, right? And then for the next portion of the So encode, you have this, right? And then decode, we basically have this, right? Let me just do a quick googling. Okay, so basically I will need something like this, right? For example, right? Separator dot join string array, right? And then we have a decode. Right? So let's say we have something like this, right? What is the issue here, right? What is the issue here? Probably the issue here would be that if we use this and this is part of the string, it will be a little bit weird. The final outcome will be a bit weird. So the reason why this question gives this colon very weird question. I'm not sure what they're really asking for, but yeah, lead, we have a delimiter pattern. Result dot split this delimiter pattern in this, right? And then we have a sorry. So what happens? I mean, why not? Let's just try it out right away, because I don't think I'll be able to solve this interview. So let's just dive straight into problem solving and just code out the answer. Okay. So let's just try this. Okay. Let's join this strings array join, and then that's his return result, right? And then the next thing here, let's just try this right away and have this, right? Damn it, seems like I can't run this. One second, let me just try to log in from here. Yes, let's just try running this. Oops, too much. Sorry. Let's do this. Hold on. I don't understand this question. So if I just join them with this and I join them together, what's the issue here? Do I have a... Let's take a look at the solution. Okay, interesting. I guess the main problem here, which I completely failed, was that if the delimiter itself appears, we will actually have to append double the string to it, right? And then when we have a string builder here, when we have we're decoding it, right? And we will want to check this again to have a connector, and then we want to add a string builder here. And then if it's just one of this by itself, we will actually want to okay. Ordinary character, we will just want to append it, right? You append the character itself. If not, we will want to see whether or not it's a colon. And if it's a colon, what we want to do is we want to see if it's a connector, right? So this is a connector, and then this, if it's a double colon, right, it is itself. So what we want to do here is we want to append SCI plus 2, right? So this one, in this case, what we want to do is we want to skip this twice. Just skip this connector. Okay, I guess this was quite a weird question, but yeah, I'll take a look at the solution and study it on my own. Thanks for watching.